In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate AI video VO3 Kling and Wan straight from a Claude chat. We'll connect the official Replicate MCP, then just ask Claude to make a clip. The Replicate MCP is one connector that reaches thousands of models. Claude sends your request through it to a video model, then hands you back the finished clip. No dedicated video tool, just the ones Replicate already exposes. The server is model-agnostic, so the same connection runs VO3 and VO3 fast, Kling, Wan 2, Luma and Hunyuan. You just tell Claude which one you want. In Claude code, add the server with this one command, then run /mcp and finish OAuth in the browser with your Replicate token. That's the whole setup. Prefer the desktop app? Go to Settings, Connectors, add a custom connector, and paste the same URL. There's also a local option, run npx replicate-mcp with your Replicate API token set. Now the fun part. I name the model, use Google/VO-3-fast, and describe the shot. Claude finds the model, submits a prediction, polls until it's done, and returns the video. Under the hood, there's no video button. Claude uses search models plus create predictions, so naming the model matters. Renders run asynchronously, so it submits and polls, and a long clip can time out. Just ask it to check the status again. Now the part that surprises people. Video is expensive. Cheaper models run around 5 cents a second, but premium ones like VO3 Fast are about 75 cents a second, so an 8-second clip is roughly $6, and full VO tiers cost more. It's pay as you go, so add a payment method and check the price before a big render. A simple habit saves money. Draft with a cheaper, faster tier, then pick a higher fidelity model like full VO3, Kling, or Wan when the shot calls for it. Prices vary across these, so check each model page. So connect the Replicate MCP with one command, name your model, let Claude submit and poll, and keep an eye on cost per second. That's AI video from a chat message. If this helped, subscribe for more hands-on MCP tutorials. These are made by the team at Remarketly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.